Good morning, dear children. Today we are starting our civics lesson number first, the Indian Constitution. First, I am reading all the facts to remember and keywords. After my reading, I will share with you the pics of that. Then you have to write in your copy. Don't write now. Pay attention now. Facts to remember: most democratic countries in the world have written constitution. It lays certain rules and ideas on which the citizen follow. It also includes the type of the government the country follows. Means in every democratic country there is the set of rule. That set of rule we call the constitution. And we found that written constitution or in a unwritten form that constitution for every democratic country. Constitution defines the nature of the political system. In a monarchy, a king is the supreme power. In a democracy, people hold a power. The constitution, what defines the constitution? The nature of political system, means which kind of political system is there working. If there is the kingship, Hitler Shahi, if there is the democratic. So that form explained by the constitution. Constitution Assembly was formed in 1946. When the Constitution Assembly was formed, this is very important. In the 1946, the Constitution Assembly was formed. It works for the 3 years. How many years this work? It works for the 3 years. Now, India adopted its constitution on 26 November 1949 and enact it 26 January 1950. So that we celebrate our 15 August is the we get the freedom on the 15 August. It is Independent Day. And on 26 January when Constitution in Act in 26 January 1950. From that day, we start to celebrate our Republic Day. These both are our national festival. And one more is national festival, that is the Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, now next. Federalism means division of the powers between the central, state and local government. What is the meaning of federalism? It is means the power, which powers hold central government, state governments and local governments, that we call the federalism. Next point, in parliamentary form, execute is responsible to the people. It guarantees universal adult franchise. Means that universal adult franchise, that concept we learn in 7th standard also. It means the right to vote. The people, the person who completed the 18 years of their age, maybe he concerned with any creed, any economical, social background, but he having the right to vote. Okay, so that we call the universal adult franchise. So in parliament, from the executive is response to the people, it guarantees universal adult franchise. We will see this point again in while the lesson explanation. Now, separation of the power, divide the power between the three organs of government. You know the three organs of the government. Last year we made the tree diagram also upon that: legislature, executive and judiciary with checks and balance. This year also we will going to see. Now, secularism prevent discrimination on the basis of the religion. Means secularism means, what is mean the secularism? Ki we can't discriminate the people on the basis of caste, creed, religion, economical background or social background. That we call the secularism. The fundamental rights give right to liberty, equality, religion, etc. In addition to that, we also have the directive principles of the state policy to the ensure social and economic reform. Fundamental right, what the fundamental rights? It gives us a liberty. That gives fundamental rights, gives us some authority or liberty for equality, religion, etc. Then we can we having some fundamental rights, through that we ensure social and economic reform. Okay, next these all the parts we will see in our while the lesson explanation. You have to write in your copy. Now the glossary. After facts to remember, you should write the hard words. More than 10 hard words in your copy. Write by your own, and only hard words you have to write. Don't write the he, she, it, likewise. You written I know. Now the glossary words. Arbitrary. Arbitrary when nothing is fixed and is instead left to one's judgment or choice. The situation become arbitrary. Arbitrary means when nothing is fixed and instead to left to one's judgment or choice. Means judgment is left and nothing is fixed at the point that we call the arbitrary. Ideal. Ideal refers to a goal or a principle in its most excellent or perfect form. Ideal person, ideal means this concept also you know, it is the good concept that we call the ideal concept. Then Indian nationalist movement. The Indian nationalist movement gained momentum in 19th century. India saw the thousands of men and women coming together to fight against the British rule. That is the Indian nationalist movement. Then polity. Polity refers to a society that has an organized political structure. Sovereign. Sovereign is refers to the independent people in a democratic form of the government. Then traffic, traffic, trafficking refers to the practice of the illegal buying and selling of the commodities across national border. Means if we are doing any illegal work that are under the trafficking. Now tyranny. Tyranny refers to the cruel and unjust use of power or authority. If we are not using power fairly, that type of the deed we can say the tyranny. Thank you. You have to write all these in your copy.